Hey, thanks for checking out the video. I am going to do a quick review of my new Nock on Sonic KE arrows that I got on Friday finally. Most importantly, I finally have arrows that match my shirt. So anyway, I'm going to go through here. I'm going to take you back in time. I was at the range today and I ran into a couple hiccups with getting these new arrows in action. One of the things was I didn't anticipate how much faster they were going to be, and so I had to take a break in the middle and run to the archery shop to get a new tape for my sight. I didn't have any tapes for my sight and it needed changed because these are a lot faster. So but check out the video and you'll see everything in there. Thanks again for checking it out. Hit the like button, make sure you share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. New Nock on arrows. See how they are. Excited here. New arrows. They look and feel sexy. They sound sweet. I don't like the way that sounded. I'm not busting up my new arrows already. My grouping's tight here. I'll move to multiple targets. Take a look at these ones and see how they look. All right, so I'm definitely shooting low. Decent grouping. A couple of them are low off, but got 4 pretty close. The other one's not too far off, but definitely might have to adjust up. We'll see after another round here. Well, the bad news is I banged up another fletching. The good news is it's on the same arrow as the first one. So, yep, looks like I'm gonna have to start learning how to refletch my arrows, because these are pretty sweet arrows from Nock on Archery. The Easton Sonic KE, pretty badass arrow. Huge improvement from my other ones. All right, new arrow update. So I just made sure my paper tuning was all in check. You see that there? Beautiful little bullet hole. Hard to see maybe, but that's what it should look like. And I didn't take into account for the fact that these arrows are a lot faster. So I currently have, if you see on here, my tape is 277.5, and I'm gonna need to change my tape to 282. So definitely take that into consideration when purchasing arrows. They're different for sure. The insert's a little heavier. I went from a 50 to a 75 grain insert. And just generally, I don't know if that's why they're faster. I assume that it's a combination of that and the arrow itself. So definitely a lot faster arrows. So getting ready to sight my old tape in at 40 yards, and then we'll slide my new tape in right where that one is at 40, and then I'll go to 30, back to 50, and then up to 20 to double check, make sure it's right. So good stuff. Faster arrows, always good. All right, made an adjustment on the height of my sight, so definitely where I need to be now. Looks like I'm a little off to the left. No adjustment needed there. Just need to check my form and make sure everything's tight. All right, so when you're changing out your tape, you want to get your sight dialed in at whatever yardage is typically in the middle of whatever you shoot, and then get it set, and then you want to make sure it's locked so it doesn't move, and you're going to place your new tape right where the 30 yard is, or wherever you sighted it in at, and it should be dead on. All right, hitting dead center all the way back to 60 now. So I'm back in the game, baby. Nock on arrows. Took me all day of adjustments, but I got it. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for checking out the video. So my final take on these Nock on Sonic KE by Easton, custom made by Nock on, is they're fantastic arrows. They're super fast, much faster than my other ones, as you saw, and had to make some adjustments on the fly, but that's all good. They shoot nice, they sound nice, they feel nice. They're just good, really, really good arrows. And the only negative thing I would say would be banged up my veins fairly easily on my first grouping, which was good. My grouping was that tight, but I don't think it's a lack of good quality. It's just, I think they're just super light. And either way, I'm gonna have to start learning how to fletch my own arrows. Have never done that to this point, whether it's just don't have time or whatever the excuse is, but I typically take my arrows and turn them into all kinds of things when they're broken, like back scratchers and pens. But these ones here I will use until they just don't fly straight anymore. Therefore, it looks like I'm gonna have to buy a jig and start fletching these bad boys, because I will be using these for a while. I haven't changed arrows in a long time, and I'm super happy that I did. So thanks, John, for another solid product. And I'm a little bit of a Nock on fanboy, because John does good work. He provides great education and fantastic products. So I like to give back by spending my money on his fantastic products. So that's it. I suggest these arrows. If you're in the market for new arrows, these are a great choice. And you can buy them pre-fletched. They custom cut them for you and put the inserts in for you as well. I went with his recommendation on going with the 75 grain inserts, and it was a good recommendation. So thanks again, and thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your other archer friends. Thank you so much for checking it out. Bye-bye.